Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can fix error code 4201. I felt like robot here. So what you want to do is in Genshin Impact. Now the first thing that you want to do is just simply be in Genshin Impact and try to change the server to America or Asia or Taiwan, Hong Kong right here. I don't know what is MO is Mongolia, I don't know, whatever. So try to change the server here, and when you're gonna do it, you want to click here on Task Manager and be in Task Manager, and then click Performance and open Resource Monitor. And now just simply change the network, click on Network, and right click and like delete, I don't know, Chrome and end process. So it's going to stop receiving and sending megabytes. And if you open like torrent, you want to close it too. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can simply fix error code 4201. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and if you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.